Pure speculation, from just a fellow ape. Consider the following facts. 1. SPY is pumping like its own ass is on fire. 2. Bitcoin is 2. 3. Concerned trolling posts about DRS are suddenly in vogue. Here's my speculation. Without any further evidence, their assets can't offset their short positions any longer. Their complex financial instruments fraud is under observation from a couple 100,000 eyes every single day. And if they drop the price any further, we DRS faster, as has always been the plan. For those who have been along for the ride, their only hope is that we don't DRS the shares when we buy them at cheaper and cheaper prices. They have to try to create some sort of doubt or question about DRS. Despite the fucking not the asshole ins of evidence this sub has compiled. So, in the absence of facts, you slam the table. They're hitting the messaging often to try to offset their complete lack of rationale. Of course, as the price plummets, they want DRS to stop. They have nothing left except to try to shake off new apes with more massive price drops. So, I say fuck you, and I'm gonna double down on my DRSed shares. Anyone who is reading this post, don't take my word for it, and don't do anything because I say so. This is pure speculation from just a regular regarded ape, but I've been waiting for this to happen for a year now. Let the fucking games begin. So, I say fuck you, and I'm gonna double down on my DRSed shares. You son of a bitch, I'm in. New digital store and a tidal wave of FUD, it was foretold. I get paid every 2 weeks, I can do this forever. We gonna DRS all 227. Bye. HODL, DRS. When did the recipe change? The games have already started long ago. We're not in here with them. They're locked in here with us. 40 more today, 140 in the past month. DRS next week. By pumping other assets, they are creating margin room for themselves, and are enticing retail to buy into the other assets instead of GME. It's yet another Sarive another day tactic. Sooner or later, all these currently pumping assets will take a short walk off a tall cliff. There might also be some issues with MBS, which is a huge part of their collateral. Since the Mr. Cooper hack? Every time BTC pumps I think, OH, someone needs collateral. I've been averaging down big time the last 8 weeks. I will literally buy till I die. Joke's on them. If this bitch touches $10, I'ma take the tax hit and DRS my IRA. It definitely feels like we are about to end the game in overtime. The desperation for narrative control and FUD is at all-time highs. Either way, still buying and still hodling gem palms up together. Just DR said my last batch of GME. Just bought today. About to buy tomorrow. Will continue until I see phone numbers. I have an addiction to DR said. Booked. GME. Well, I am just gonna buy more and DRS more. I'll buy some more on ComputerShare in appreciation of this post. Even when the new apes gets shaken down or scared, it doesn't matter. Already DR said shareholders will just get more. It's game over for them. They just won't accept it. Eat my dick, billionaires. Your time of wage thievery is at an end. Hopefully. I can do this all day. I bought more. I like the stock. I think I am going to individually on my own accord, buy a boatload next Friday payday. I hope they drop the price to low single digits and we buy and DRS tens of millions of shares by the end of the year. I put in buy orders for $12.50 and $9.99 a few weeks ago. So it kind of bummed me out when the downward trend slowed. After years of seeing these buy and sell walls created from time to time, it had me wondering if retail has inadvertently set up their own walls. The way it bounced off $12.50 a few times today makes me think it may have burned shorts pretty bad to let it get there, hoping they have no choice but to let it go lower while there is any way for them to have another day. So anyways, I was so happy to see I picked up 24 more today. Got enough for $100, 9.99. I just DRS'd 100 more shares the other day and just waiting for them to try harder so I can buy more. Edit: I've been DRSing a while but haven't updated the bot count for personal reasons and also to keep the enemy wondering. Edit: a week or so ago I'll never forget getting some random article about how a company called Betterware, it's a real company, Mexican catalog kitchen appliances or something, was a better fundamental value than GameStop. I put it on my watch list to see it tank 30 the following day of this article. I can smell the desperation. I'm about to get a job. I got all my bills as low as humanly possible. Every motherfucking cent I can spare is going to be dumped into my retirement account, aka my GMEDRS account. Open mouth face running dash, open mouth face running dash, open mouth face running dash. I made a post yesterday about how you can take advantage of the low prices likely to come in DRS your IRA shares too if you have the cash for the tax hit. I think a lot of apes could significantly increase their DRS share count this way. Today is a good day to buy. Purple Heart Gorilla. This ape gets it. Okay, so buy more in DRS, mission understood. For a year? I waited for MOAS for 3 years now, tears of joy. Instructions unclear, guess I will have to DRS thousands of shares from IRA. This is the way. The joke is on them, the lower the price the more I can buy in DRS. It doesn't matter if every single new ape doesn't DRS. Slowly but surely as AUG apes have DRS'd, and we will continue to do so despite the constant FUD. We either get there slowly with AUG apes doctorzying, or all you need apes jump on this rocket and help fuel this bitch. Fuck I am chipping away at more. Preach. I spend a portion of my paycheck every fortnight to buy shares. Fuck me if I'm going to miss out on the best prices I've seen in years. I'm buying every share I can. Shorts are scared since all their money is tied up in the SP 500 and they can't post collateral to stay short GME. Translation: MOASS. Stay the course. MOASS could be tomorrow. It could take until end of next year. But SHFs are finally being crushed from both sides. Either big cap stock prices fall and their long positions fall below margin requirements, or GME price keeps falling lower and apes DRS 100 quicker. Either way, we are inevitable. Honestly, this makes more sense than how a company that is close to profitable, a popular brand, cash rich with $1 billion, debt free, and has a huge individual investor following, would be in a continuous downtrend in company value. Either way, I'm here. I've been here. And I'm not leaving. Don't forget to book your shares in Computer Share. Fuck you, pay me. Dude, I am going nuts at these prices. Fucking I'm gonna DRS so hard now they gonna be like, dong, why he gotta DRS so hard? Pure speculation, but you're also fucking spot on, sir. It's all noise until GME prices are more realistic. Visibility. FUD sample from today. I'm saying, looking at the stock with an outside perspective, it doesn't look good. Yee boy. Hell yeah. Consider me Miles Davis. Let's fucking go.